market ya po Sompa dear M-I-N-G Dichim wafidi ene to Sompa FM and TV Nebema wenijie Eni aketiampa Nebema wenijio Sabra boy mo dajini Be natural suna udia unya Nebema wenijie Naketiampa so kamu Ema aketiampa Papa wafidi ene to Sompa FM and TV Why?
Enyumra no nsia we no nsia toso mienu Sompa fie de no abusua aboken ensam ne de aso tie ebe ni so nso ayesa ahwehwe na edi ani nyina ahwe no eno na enyumre yesi adua na ye bebe tisateko kode amawo abusua life o bia wote enkafiri no enkra na wa 106.5 FM Sompa nkra Watermelon Street no so ebia na wo ahwe adabraka asantemamu a ene Sompa 93.1 baby 21st clinic wono sabra kro na takwafo efabia na takwa Sompa 101.1 FM ewia takura defo nso ede namsa 103.3 ebia na wo bona fam ene ahenkro no sunyane no alaji be kwa na abro sanum na napoku piesie fa asamoche wone ne dom no sie kwasi Joshua eno sa no night market hwa life enne bubo mu a etim ho santon fa na life ma de hye ne nyina say station mienu no kira station ene ba ko nyina wo mo nyina tibi na didi mu akwa kopie mu ahafo abusua we ya kan no mani masasa paso nso ye live won so de ya fa ne baanu Sompa 101.3 live ho ena doma 100.7 eja wusu be man ne dom nso wo mo topete ma ekohwia pem amampredu ase ho ena wasaje fu wotie edifre na Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste nti ena ye be nsem ne de amawo a wotie nka etime fefe yesen ase ede kire wo na ensem no nso ye be mawo midimafo herbal center wo de time ato ye nso enti kase time da so dendenden na time no ti anwi eno nso Dr. Tafrija ena ayo kene Urban Radio ubeti ye nka wo ho ena afi www.sompaonline.com eno nso ubenya nsem ni nyina safo kantanka wode atoto ho enwumrei ensem a heba no de di mo akotene bi ene se
wasofo adwade ni mfiri dwuma nsam so o man Ghana mu wana waka say wose say Ghana ye free say ade raw materials ne ade kwa wontena kwa akoton no ye jai kura
sanso ena aban ahye eye cashew eni afensu no oil palm adwumakuo no mu ama sese ya meka say emu ababe ye nika
wo Ghana today so enkomo bi pie ya pepe bi a wo se ne ba pie wa ya so den enti sanka wo ba twa ne to piu fu dati kambu where did you go wanya ne say wo de ne bo mototo na wo twe no meka say aposifo aso ne mu ama so ye hwe mofra ye die ne asetena mu bambo so wo mo nso akasa ho
wo mo kasa ho Ghana mra ene ubedi atwe ne pepepe eno na nipa bi akotena social media so akaka nsam ade agu mati opoku prempe ne hu fi se wono na atuatu asika ama wo dundum kane awa asante mantam mu wa beyi ne ho ano
na Queen Mother awo eye wenchi na nanom atrankonya ena wo kasa idi atudwa kirem se enkwada ya kwatro bi si nsohwe ya ebi awie bi wieye wakohye nkola ni nkran etu omofo aka ho
sabi si sohwa nkranhye komue no onabo Isaac Ibrahim wo hye wo musa trese sabre wo mu wie school no nsa no djuma wo mu ehia wo na se won koja wo maame nom na ni nyina mu no wasanso aye na ade ni bio sɛ de na efia emena de hye wɔ ne mpɔtamu eto be 20 wɔde border container akyecha ama wɔn
ɛno nyinaa mu no yɛbɛsa de wakɔ achi bio sanse kuntu ohwane a ya na ne nchi a ɛna ɛkɔ nti yɛbɛsa akɔ achi na nsɛm a na wɔtwe mu nyinaa Ghana de no yɛde bɛdi wontoa no nia ɛtɔda ya na meka ɔte a ɔsɛ nkrɔfo de anya nwanwa wɔn betimi ayɛ bi nso ate ase enti wensu si ye ai na wɔtwe wante ne baabi a gye hɛ ya yɛbɛsa si ukoso amwa hunu Ghana nsɛm no ni bi ɛba ayɛ na wɔtwe mu yɛnum a yɛgye brɛ yɛkenka nsɛm nyinaa kama ɛde ama wɔ na nasafo kantankan da woroma wɔde nam Facebook ne so no memedin ɔdoma nkoma kyea me ɔbrempɔn nana kwaku ampoma mene
nana ɔpɔn checheku ɛnafi
triple A man ejapia apam dada
afei yɛnhyɛ nsɛm no ase ɛmfa ɛma wo na yɛgyina mu ɛwɔ ɔsoafo a wɔno ɛna hwɛ adwadie ne mfiridwuma nsɛm soɔ na kakye maame Elizabeth ofosu agyare na kakye ne yɛwe maame adwuma deɛ wɔ bɔbi papapapapapa na wɔno na ɛka sɛ na wɔ bankefoɔ wɔn ne mpanimfoɔ bi ɛka ka wɔn bɔ mu na wɔn di dwumadie bi wɔ nkran ha na ne ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ yɛadwene ho bio ɛwɔ ɛyɛ adwadie mu na yɛapre akɔnyini ɛde ama ɔman Ghana ɛno na no wɔn di saa nkɔmɔ no ɛna wɔde to dwa no wɔkyɛ sɛ wɔ no korɛ nkran ha yɛ ampo no wɔn yɛ no nti no wɔbɛka bi sɛ ɔman Ghana no yɛfiri sɛ kane no wobɛhu na gold yi sika akɔ yɛ ma so a hwee ne yɛde atena dupre mu ne yɛde kɔ Dubai ɛnso yɛpɛ gold ho mpempena de a ne yɛ sa akɔ ne akɔ kra de afiri Dubai ne yɛ san de aba ha sɛ yɛgyae saa de no yo empo atea akora no yɛ ba ba yɛ ho adwuma wɔ Ghana ha ya koko processing factory ne nyina ba ba yɛ bi wɔ ha enti sɛ Ghana jai sɛ yɛnya tu ya ne yɛ de afiri ha ne yɛ de kɔ na nkrɔfo akɔ horo ho akɔtete bi de akado de afafa ho no mo san de abrɛ yɛ no yɛ jai kora wɔkaya na ɔde kɔsi sɛ empo wɔhwɛ afiri twa mu no a wɔman Ghana no sɛ adwadie mu no yɛtiri kɔ yɛ ne mu anya mfaso busu ama yɛnya bɛsɛ 13.6 billion US choppable Donald Trump dollars ade ka yesika ho a eko yie pa no kire se yetimi de niam akwa abontene kwaje sika e wa amonone ade ba ye man no mu eno nti no waka de kire wonu mu amunsem obie wonu mu amu ka bia na ebene anazo mu eka wo manu duru buru mu nyina e wadwade mu se obi anya sika ba ta sika bia so obeso de hye adwuma mu a won fa mera wo man Ghana mu na wo ma ye bi wa ha pa san se wo man Ghana mu de wo ye adwuma unya mfaso papa
na wo eye edwadifuo nsemu ano aben afadi esi nani so se wo behwe na waboa ama eye atea ehu edwumadie hu dwadie na afen nso no eye enwokokwa ibie eno nso hu dwadie timi apem akonanim na soafo abedi ekira wono anohwe ye nkuayo ye ne endwadie mu ensem eye onobu samsinahi wono ana okokochi na simpie ne apaso okokasa ye edema eye soafo no hwe ye ndwadie ene afenso paadie mu ensem na wode atodo akire mu se atea cashew ena afenso palm oil enwokoko yi no kranie eye dwumadie bi a wo man Ghana mu anum se no yetimi ma yani komu pa ya de betima aboa ye economy na managina ne naso sika beba amanfo botomu ye betimi anya niam bebre de efemesa nse ye hwe se nwumakuo we mienu ya uyi abe edisiwa abe ya ade bi a sabi ejina honom a ne so wonfa so a kopim se da obefrati asefo asase su kra no mpokra no utimi dinya eye sabi apetishi wom ema manfo de num chomanum kpakpo na ototo nanum saa na soafo be de eche kasai ana odi tudu eche mu se ye hwe Tree Crop Development Authority edwumakuo yi omo aye nwumakuo bi a womo no omo hwe aboa na fei enuaba yedua ewo fam na efifie etimi mane babeso asopapa ede boa no eno ya ade a ombehwe na omo generate ama na kosoro ye pa wode atudo akirem se ye kasei sika be ya America sika ibie $660 million ena tesese ye omo hwe etimi aboa ede awuramu a eno eba betimi aboa wo mu nwumadi awura omo ba bedie soafo abedi akire kasa ode na kasa ba wiye no ena eye honorable Andy Okra wono anoye chief executive officer edema eye TCDA eye Tree Crop Development Authority ye wo kasa dia tudwa chem se wo beda aban na se watimi aba na oba besoa eye asoya no wo ba beso masen na omatimi aboa wo munwumadi ahuro biada wo mudi emu
no nsiambre mo kase ebo enwumra de no de Pepsodent cavity fighter why Greenwich Meridian line every year say ama eno nti etime se kire de kire wo ne ye kan nsam no sade ete edema no eno ne yeguso a ye bede maw information center na tie free so data na kan ho ko phone no so ehon so obete yenka bra wo hwe e wo Facebook ho na yewura gender ministry ho bra na Ghana Today eba de Sompa no pa bia nkrata no mu nsam ne nsam ayedi atwago owiase nyina apa no so ye de totudwa no papa bi ya wose ne ba wa ya asoden watea na kire se ba bi ya mo wo mpie mpo na kampese wakwa akodi agro akora na ntie wode na so ye ne men ekoye kokogore wote se papa eba na wo tu America ba fie wo ba papa ne chi no no wa mana ngu ntwere anase wo mu nkotodwe na nka wo ma ne nsa so ana wo nu aburo no mpaja ne naifa wa anya ne sao wa mana anya dankoma so eden na mom wo fa moto ya ne nan enai bi eno anya motoken no ba ko no abefo de no a wo mo de firi no ho aba na abogafo no kane no wo mo tana so eno bi eno de ne achechira aboto no wo twie akora ya theater still papa no ntewe wo twi na wada ne ho na ne nchemu twi na na chi twi na obase ye twase akwa kokun wo se machi wore saa na akora de kokore ne no na aso ye hwe ema mofra ni asetena mu yedie ho nsam so de maame Agnes na momolate oda no wo makasa chese no kwasem ni de etwae no entwaye na sabi akoda no emfa ho na so odin a waye eno na choro no ka se agimi sembata abofra akoma ho na entere so aba na bema nafi eno nya aba de kobo na kunuo momo eya atenetene aba ne se ho ntino wei enya sua de zabra meka sei aposifo wonu ma hwe afisese mu mra wo ma so ne panchi me kire dofsufo enti bra akoda no wo mo de na ko hospital wo Legon me kire Ghana University of Ghana Medical Center ho ho no woda sesi a wo mo hwe no gender ministry so wo ma akọ hwe akoda no a doctor fo gina no so sesi wo mbeka se ne ho ye wo mo firi wo no wo ma na so ho na wo mo ko dofsu ho ekokọ hwe papa no ya wodi se adwuma na aposifo a kire no na no so wo mo kokọ sra no na wie no wo mo de afutu eba se emfa ho ne sabio akora no bone a waye eno nti na na aba abokora sukuu mu no wo mo yi afiri ho yeso wo babo akora na ba kobusa doctor na hwe so obu no na ebe yi ansa na wa hwe sa stress ya ene na abeji ama wode na ho ode anante kwa yase te se abo atromo enti awofo hwe yi kwa wo mo fa so etete nkoda na se wo mo twen nkoda so ewie na wo mo chese ehwe mu mapanso guso koso enya se we wo mate ada so de nam so ntia papa no edi se adwuma no se ya bufuo ne bai ene na ese wo mo na kwankere wo bufuo nsanse ebu no nyafu na akoma ne sode a adwene no ya na enta enye adwuma
ano ya adwene no ya nto akase no so na ebinum de o ma adwene akwa ya de bia ma sesei baby a wo mo gina no ya asamo ya to won na we kani energy minister ya wa man Ghana mu ono kra no babo Alhaji Mahmood doctor baby Babud Baumia ababo ni chidam sanka wa prema mpani na wo mo nyina akwa banka siem akwa bu man no mate poku prempre dodo na friend napo kani pani ana ono na na emra se jeni wo mensia south ana wo ka say wo say won nam social media na so titiri pa na TikTok no ana obi kura friend no say TV ni radio bi so kura manfo hye ho a wo mu twabo ne pa se wo no mate poku prempe na nse ye nkrofo kwachi wonini miye wonini ma miye ni omo so omo na wo mu kekanka ne mu wo asantemantam ahodwere ne mfafra mu we ye se mate poku prempe na chance yo ana wo no tuetua sika 150,000 150 million edema district ECG managers ewa asantemantam se wo mu num nkane ano na yanka sa ndisi for de dum so aba ewa asantemantam wati ye no say ha ho abanie mimi mate na mu wuze me fra himfe me nya no kreda kura na wa bra wo kire ne nsemu no ahwa wa kan say
So the active radio so say TikTok so social media so although or can be also no to meet me DH but not to DH and me multiple people the MPP MP4 was settlement it's actually 1.5 million. They are not ECG district directors. So, Mundu Kane, the Dika, Samayano, who will live in say, Berbush, the Dika, many MPP, MP, Fudia, meeting, maybe the Minister of Energy put by ECG district directors, minimum, and now, as I now, media level material, because she had district director, and pray to a Busim Cup. This member layer, they are assembly film, alcohol, market, study, crap, or moves and made multiple any MP4, any department. There are several and they have been say and yes, a big or the ECG district directors for every person here. Who say and check NBC football can say they confirm ECG for that once in the Ashanti region. Only a mini department, you want to go so mess up with time. Able to the year minister and your minister and the ECG district directors.
Or no, Minister Krampuno, no. On ECG district directors ko onimo bia and now atifia ja kakra bia Ghana for the man say S Gracia wo di ni kakra no won fan konko tua ECG for ka say wo mun kodum kania no dum kania na wo benya fa so be na afiri so ndapo wo bona lawyer for mane send manimu ye na kra the weekend into wo ntwen enkosi duoda na docket na ready S Gracia mo beje
no e ka ko emra do semu ugu mufina uposu kasem ahungu ni nebe ba hausu eje be credit say me ba pushi odi amaska amodi meet me nyasa say bible e de mana shebisa o fa shi emra maka na for mo nya he ha so unt me nya kania ni now show crowd at the bread of the nyasa o pe ko for mo this is the table be yin ko for be think kania semase a mo ko ala na fu ni na ya mo faso e bia me sie e be na me bia e ko ko for lunch say kania ni duma e be ha boss empire it's meant to be more as a Canadian shema na Canadian indundu na Ghana for 2 hours president na Canadian is so many pay so Ghana for the ekaso pay to abetia it is sana so what bana say it be nyek bana e na Ghana for na beti na omugo for na oban do be kache mama fa and say the best aka say me ya for it's for some ko na pay na the best aka we so the boss I think Babetche fa kwa fushia ni before fushia kudisa na myself yemi credit
anya no kre medamase waka me so mpa hai woni mi se nipa waka wono a wo hu wate se ye moni di ha de ba wono a wonim wo hu wate Monday lawyer for the docket be kwa command esquire adwo asare mo wo mu nyina be di a kire bi e de docket no mako bie mu kama kwa atekre 5 subsection 19 clause 99 won be bie ni nyina wato say o twa na damitia we wi anu age na de akotoka na wa twa kire kwase binti
na yentu ansam ne so na yenkopie mu ewo eye wenchi bono mantemwe na ehwo no mu de ya kwasi poku homeboy ene wato nkredi ma ne yen na Queen Mother awono ewoda wenchi traditional council no ano eye nana pokuya afwa down koto the second ye nana onkwaso na wono no de akwakoto dwa akire mu se enkwada ya da no BEC nso he ya omokokotro ye yin no kure ni nyame anim ni ye ehu benya se o se o hye nkwala ni nkran enti nana hema antena sabe na himfie anto nsa mfre nkwada we nyina nemum obanan ekonkwada ne so ene obia kokodi nkomon kakran esan so hye nkwala ni nkran kan ho na nkran hye no mu no ena nana ede kokobo de ko kye nkwala ise sabe se apam mpo begyina nanim na wo spell AMPAM apam ede kye na omunsi omaso omuntie na emum se abrumpon kogira omanim na wo yese okay sa na tie de ne obia nhwe sompa sa pepepe mko he sompa ezan se sompa wonum sese na tie bia no osum ni ye a ebe mo aketia papa na enum nsem a nana afo adankoto the second edit dwa no ebini
Yeah, and no more a lot ahead of you people. It means stramo mo meye me masamunya mo ho say mo wie school ntino eno no mo ye mpanfo ma wo fo kasa kire mo amuntie mo ntena fie me try say me pe bibi ama mo aye na mo ntena fie ama emerima no amedada mo sempo akapre it won't do you anything me pa mo acho enya mu bibia misramo mo kofia mo ntena na mo mboa ma wofo omu kodwom an okodwom betimi aboa wofo na kodwom se bibi wo ha wo sa wo ye wo fia yeah you can read you can learn a lot of things please misramo ene na me ka kire emma no especially because mo fanyi nsen a obema no ono obekọ ni school wo betena fie wo daachi be ye basa bia na wanya obia anso mumu
Wei eye futuo a efri eye nana afua dankoto the second ho ede ba betu dwa na wan free hono ansi hono a wotoa nana montuo suo ekọ eye wenchi Central Mosque won so nkwala itro ensohe bi wo ho enti eho kura de okoye no na woni municipal director a ohwe adusuan wonsam so won potem hono mu ene afenso akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no bi ɛna ɔmo nyinaa kɔ hɔ no mo nti ɛhɔ no na nana kasa mpampo yɛde ne si so bosome ntem ne nkyɛe ɛno nti wɔdɔ mo nyinaa sesɛ brɛ yɛde ne si so no nso no wɔn timi ba yɔmba bɛtaa n'akyire ɛma nakonya no ogusu odi ne nkakra
ye daachi ne mo nti sa mo daachi sɛ ya na ye kyerɛ sɛ ɔman no ya sɛ nyame nhyira mo ɔnka mo ho ɛnɛ so ɛne da nyinaa na me da mo ase yedi mi si so me frɛ mo baaye mo betai mechi mani aso sɛ mo betai mechi nti ɛwɔ sɛ me show appreciation ɛde ma mpanyinfo a ɛwɔ banda line ha nyinaa me da mo ase masɛm tietia sɛ mpanyinfo wɔ hɔ emabrum wɔ hɔ ɔmo na ɔmo bɛsi anan mu nti me srɛ sɛ emabrum a ɔmo wɔ bandala ha nyinaa no munya asotie ɛma mpanyinfo efi sɛ mpanyinfo no edi anim kan dada nti ɔmo nim na yɛ ne na enye nti sɛ emabrum a wɔ bandala ha nyinaa misrɛ mo sɛ na mpanyinfo bɛka bia mo ma yɛnni so.
Wenchi Traditional Council Nana Pokuya Afua Dankoto the second ono eno ye Queen Mother wo ena odi afutue ekọ na ase ka ho bie ede ma ne manfo
enti saa den we nkwansama mu a nko ne asachehene ono ye Nana Poku Dankoto ena Nana Dankoto Afua wono ewo wanchi ebusua ba bedu nso atobia ba na we no efiri atwema mponua asante mantemu abakra chepani a won potem ho ne honorable Ibrahim Ishaq na waye na ade ne biu ene se ne wotu BC so he won mo atwero wieyefo se won fa ho mata won na ne won agyamo titru wo munyumam se o maame ne o papa adwuma no nso etese apam de ebi na wontimi nkoka bi mano a ene na ewo so opebiribi ede won sayo eno nso no unye hu assembly a won won hyehyei ede bema na wokan we wie ne wo kyese enche bia wo hwa se bola yema na ona bo mo wo maboa mi yentu no wo mo de drip machine yakwa akotena ho ato diesel agum ayusu a ebewe na ka de kire nya kakuma ebetimi aye ade foforo enti wa ye bola container ebi e de akwa akomema ne mpesu asofo se de be na bola emmemene won na emu mayema won be ba pagya akọ na wode maaye no wo kire de nti a wo ye sa ade yi
noka atomapo no ayi kura nipa dodo ebam no ekona nimpa meka sei nipa ewa atomapo no ampempre eko 150,000 ama dwumadi ayi dia edifi ba no so ekona nim because nipa dɔso a na efi so aye no so ekona nim na efi so ka nipa brabo ho na assembly no asede se wo hwe se efi a ye no montene so no enyan ba bi padi agu ana se yemfie mu ni ba be yete no nyanya ba bi padi agu sere be ya emfa yarwa emba ke se yarwa efi na de yarwa bebreba de santi asɛm na ne kyerɛ sɛ district common fund aban de brɛ no ebeyi bi de aboa ya huni hu nsɛm ano na nam so a yɛde kɔtɔ saa wage bi na kɛseɛ a ɛkyekyɛ ma nkura anamanim yɛ ahuso mu hia bi na yɛ ne sɛ no yɛnyɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛtum ragu fam bi yɛbɛ
enti asɛm ne yɛtiatia efiri ne kɔ no wɔn mo ntura ngu fam bio na awia ma akɔ bola de sebepɔ na yɛafrɛ sɛ wɔn mo fa common fund mbetu abra na ebi kura ebi mai enti sɛ wɔn ma yɛ border container eba ne se na okotu regua emfa ngu fom foro na fa gu mfimfini eno eye Honorable Ibrahim Ishaka wono ene ya atwema mponua abankra chipeni ba abedu ene ma yensa kansemu
ni nyina adesua education na education mu no yɛmfom na fe yɛmfa ngura mu na awatwi mu ensam wadedi wo ntoa no na yɛnsam bo ni nyina bi so kama emfama na awatwi mu a adwoada no ɛna na yɛofa ase yɛnananom yɛnuanom nkuma ɛne nkuma na ɛwɔ no na wɔn motwe so hwɛ national one no na edi kan kora na no so afo hwɛ ngomasi ansam so onimnyafo Haruna Idrisu wotu wonfo ana waka kire won sɛ enso hwɛ wonyamu wo munyi wo ho mfirim.
We are particularly concerned about the growing phenomena of exam malpractices. Last year, it affected about 178 candidates, and several papers were withheld. In some instances, the papers were cancelled. So to you, the candidates, honesty and integrity defines citizenship. Honesty and integrity defines patriotism. And honesty and integrity must be the hallmark of your molding. So don't engage in any exam malpractice.
Don't engage in exam malpractice. Ani ya futu ya onimnyamfo Haruna Idrisu na no Jordan. Wadema asane so senior high school for ya no atoya mantamu atoya tifi. Na wotuma ne o manga na mu nyina desuafo na efa asompa so.
Na Eda Jordan mu anu enkran mantamu anu mu sei opani a ono ana oto nkra ewo Accra Metropolitan Assembly ama eye Yera Gilbert Ankra na Eda Jordan mu na ebeto odwa kire mu se enkran asase su nyina no wo ebete se wo bo dede ana wo ye dede impo se wo bo onyum na epia bonten a waso be yehye we eye nhyehyeye a ya mpembebre na afie bia no eba ne saa na wo de siesi ho edira eye omu festival e friend homowo na enumu ena wode tudwa ewo Sompa kase mu echirechire mu nhyehyeye ene afein so no sene omu esifa a restrict eye noise making won kran ha.
The Mayor, Honorable Michael Pakwalote, held a meeting with the security apparatus. So there was a metro security meeting to look at ways and means to collaborate with the police and other enforcement agencies to ensure that this year's ban on drumming and noise making is enforced. Some of the arrangements that have been made is with respect to the fact that usually we have a task force comprising of representative task force from the assembly, the police, and the traditional authorities. That particular task force has been formed. They've been given identity tags to be able to identify them, and they will be moving out to ensure that compliance is adhered.
Kasamafo a wakasa de ma AMA ama ewon kran ha Yera Gilbert Ankra ena yete ninino.
Eda Jordan na saa Jordan kro na nso no abusua Yera kwadwo oponkroma minority e womra se badwafie wo mo nso titi bi bai ana na wo bobo so acha se Bank of Ghana sabio sade eniema esi enyini kwo wo mo kase yedede de kana nso ebewie na amanyofo na ebeyi ano titru ni dom kase no eno nso de yentie de Yera kwadwo oponkroma Eda Jordan no wo kan Edifa Bank of Ghana ka no.
The act does not say that the Bank of Ghana should hand over the accounts to a political party to announce prior to the minister presenting it to Parliament. What happened on that Thursday when the NDC party, including non-MPs, came to Parliament, to the precincts of Parliament to hold a press conference to announce the audited accounts of the Bank of Ghana was an illegality. Not only was it an illegality, it was an amount or it was an act of blatant politicization of the Bank of Ghana and its work. The governor, the board, and the government should take note that.
Take note, not just a woman to one woman sentence until so say no, and area could your punk my dad or boss or a year no say. Sa gold purchase program now one more cocky kind near Honsam no. And also could have been one church muye, and then you know, say, as was on or mudicho my.
The original structure of the gold purchase program ensured that bullion was accumulated without making losses. The new administration reversed this policy and now said that all gold should be purchased through the gold board. I'm sure you recall that. It was here in this room that we raised this matter. And then the gold board also found its own intermediaries. Eventually, the Bank of Ghana ended up losing 9 billion Ghana cedis on those gold transactions. And the gold board ended up making profit of 900 million Ghana cedis on it. But if you want to see the true value, put the two together. Plus 900 minus 9 billion. You will see what the real value is. This is what is sitting in the Bank of Ghana's books as 9 billion Ghana cedis loss and is sitting in the gold board.
Eno, yewura kwajo pankuruma. Eda joada ense me pii bi no.
Na no brada no. Ana obakaya. Ya ne ya ka bibi se radio get results. Ene ya bra na sompa maaye no. Na sompa ba aye nti ye ka ese sompa get results. Obakaya se na no hot bite so. Ye di hu nkomompo. Se ukopie mu won fancy a. Wo mo bola ya na egu wom so oburu be se mfie wo hanie na ye ntu bola ne da. Eno na se ukopie mu fancy a. E wa atwuma nwa be ja na of mansini no mu. Onimnyafo mba Zakaria ono kra mu oba ya kra fe no anya afe. Wo se won tra ho mefi enku mfansi fu enti no. Oba mode akotu ye bola yi a wa dwirigwiri wo nyina ma se hwa ye se pra na na eno na ba wa be du bowura ho no. Wone womanfo na wo mfansi no ebi bo nkomo ma wo mo kiresa no kura enhira enkoma onabo mba Zakaria
Before, we must say, Mamma, Yadia, Masabasian, Timsi, and Facebook. We never know how much we are maybe now. If you born on my Denise, my idea, Papa, Bonamaso, unless I'm Mishidano, I mean to come.
Ye madara my befa kwanya iso na yada sompa penya ono so ase eye ne kre se dwumadie ya bohu dawura na so na mewura e chief DC bae no yada tu nanim se bola emini kroi haye ene edi enya ye frɛ wura ono so ampopuniti oni na mpika bom edo se yoyo ta omo so metu
we aya mfansi wo mo wo ni bia ni nyina mu no Honorable Mba Zakaria, wono so kasa wo ho sei.
Na meba engage community engagement with the market ye ma ne papa no ma omodi gwa no. Ene Sompa TV frame concerning about fancy final disposal site, community final disposal site. Ntimi de mani be hu. Na ade a ye manfo na hia de ne de. Na se ye hwe kwan pa ye befa so a ye betima tuni na afiri ho. Na ye manfo tima ye atimi anya ho to mapa. Na omodi omutuma se efat. Nte ya jina bola iso almost 1 week ni bola na ba na hipu kase pa ba ya hunu se bola no nanano mo eka bola na di 120 something years na je se acheyi ya nanano mo peso na mo de begu ha science sanitation priority to the government no na se ya fasa akwanya ni relocate bola no e de ko ba bi foforo kra no ntini e ma ya sere nanano mo se omumwaye na omummaye ba bi pa na hisa
Ready na nanu ma de sede na me amebra wo de tuma nim se momwaye na mma ba bi pa mansase no ayamoa mo de amutwaman ya ye be wo yie pa we aye Mba Zakaria honorable atwuma nwa be janof abanka sipani o ho no
na dano bnada no ne ya bna ne kwabna foda enti en social BC nkwala ichuri enam so ema wo pani o no to nkra every West African Examination Council waye ke honomo yera John Kapi wodi to sompa ni ukire se ye kasei nipa makomako enso ana ye chi wo mu akyerɛkyerɛfo ne omo hwɛ enkwadan nso hwɛ kyerɛ isu yi wo mo so omo kan wo bi a ya chi wo mo se omo akwakoye ne a omo bɔ ho dawro se mo bi entimi nkonkoye ne efrɛ no exams mo practice yi bie ebi na akoso enu nti ya chi wo mo emu nsɛm odi tudwa no ye bi ni.
We want to stress that we have a lot of monitors who are monitoring the examination at all centers across the country. There are whistleblowers who are giving us a lot of information, and all of these arrests were effected as a result of whistleblowers who gave us the information. And so they should desist from it, because when we come and we find them in the act, we'll hand them over to the police, and then also the Ghana Education Service will take disciplinary action against them. We want to admonish our students also to avoid, soliciting support from any teachers or paying money to anybody just because they want to get some support in the course of the examination.
John Kapi also.
Soon, Abusia, Yera John Kapi, ena yeti se wakasa wono, ena watunkra edema West African Examination Council. Inti nipa nson ɛna ya chi wom nkwala BEC yi mu emu nkomo ana odi tudwa no
eno John Kapi BEC dia na enya firi hope yewura aboja wono nso waboja ne bi pa na we no wo chese adwuma wo mode ama se wono monye ho adwuma no wanchi sola contractor de wo ya se adwuma no babia nana dankoto wakasa de afiri ase contractor no wo twene na ase nya sa akyekede na wo chese se enya ba ne se ya ansa na ye be krere no de friend se clearance no bra ye de ma wantimi anya ne sa wo beje adwuma na afiri wonsem na de wo kan Are
we working to the contractors program for our program?
He submitted the program and then we are.
And you approved it?
Yes, sir.
That for 5 months. All that is what they'll be doing? Clearing?
Yes, sir.
For 5 months. So what happened to December last year?
So by their program, the program is said that...
Don't be talking about the contractors program. Okay. Contractors work to the schedule of the government. Yes, even if it's design and build, you work according to our program. The fact that the contractor brings a program doesn't mean that it's acceptable to us. People in the community, when was this clearing done? So that we don't spend.
Yes.
When did you see this road being cleared? When did you do this clearing?
It started on
April. This cannot be clearing that's standard. I'm talking about here. When did you clear it?
This clearing was done to clean. We are doing
this clearing April. This cannot be, nobody's blind. This cannot be April clearing.
No, sir.
We did in April. Today we are doing a top-up clearing.
We yewura government kwame aboja bra wonam contractor hodo a wo mo de amema de ekonya asa achechede no eso no na wo boss asemi so na wo che se sa sola kwan no kura de wo yo no so wotena ho se ya no wankeka no ho a wo beje adwuma na afiri ne nsem na nye honko wo nso ebisha wonsa na wo bola aselase no.
In fact, the information we have is that on this particular project alone, about 66 million Ghana cedis have been paid to the contractor.
Mobilization.
As mobilization. Yes. This is totally unacceptable. So when Volta Impex takes 66 million Ghana cedi mobilization, and all we get is we did some clearing in April, and we have just that a top-up clearing. Totally unacceptable. Let's review the program.
Ne buafo pa yewura governance kwame aboja na wode sa ansemi etudwa edabnada
na yewura mu ewo ukuada eda ukuada no eno nso onobu mba Zakaria sanu nso na ya ka obra okotu bola na wo kan se sompa sompo ene ye frɛ no ma ya ka ho asɛm wo no aka wiye no eno si watu bola na wi a wo manfo no nsa nkotu nwura emfa nwo bi onto no ayi sika ede ama local contractor we omo ye wa atwuma nwa beja no fo ha se wo munya dustbins nia ya de twi bola kase ni bi no wo munye na ma won cheche fancy vantage point ahodo nyina ano so sansa akoya ahonede ho nsem na so mpa so ene waka manfo betinti wo frɛ ba wa beidu esan de to nanim sei
ye evacuate community final disposal sites our various communities ye mpese ye manfo be sa akɔ na o ma sa akɔkɔtu enwura agu ho biem na sese ye fa kwanya we na ye escape containers ni ye kokosisi ho ba bia ye betu o mu bola ni na afri ho no ni adibia ye dai akɔkɔsi ho ama omo se de ye manfo ebe kokɔtu bola na ati agum na o mu ntu engu from bi eno so market ahodo so a ewo area say ase no ye hwe ekwanya say ebisu be kokosisi biambia na omu tubola na gu a na omatu agum se de ebe ma abre no ne ka na kokofa na wokoko tu agu assembly final disposal site e di ama atwoma obiaja no a hunidie ene hoto mapa ebeba
wei aye onyamfo mba Zakaria wakasa wiye yape ana presiding member our assembly or atwuma be Janov onyamfo Simon Kakaribo nsu wono so bon samma honorable say sika no wan fan kwa bontene na sika no kra san ka atwuma be Janov ho a
enim ewra emba container waya ade nipa de osade yi we kra container efiri wa be he ya enti de nyame ase se sika no se be amfa ba bia na nyame admonya at least this is the first step ye district mu ye container ebie nti enim se ebetimi aso nkronkro no bola na egugugu ho no ano na afi so nyame ya adoma kakra na ebesan ba biem minim se we enso ho a ebesan ye biem ato aso ama wo mo bedi nkan nya bie no na ebi nso so anya bi kopim se container no kro bia benya bie na ye nyina ye huni se ampa dwumadi a His Excellency John Dramani Mahamade yewura mba Zakaria ebesi ya no mba nso so di nokure ama yewura na oye adwuma yenim se nwa bejada na koma so de ngwaje nyina koma so ngwabeja mpuntu 20 ngwabeja kan konche de be ya ball ani wura no ebe free empotem
chuma be janof onanya fo simon kakari bonsu and waba abaso asa na mane boy what ni nyina fa ba wa be so development minister and what the bre infia sentimentum
na Bank of Ghana nso wopani a wada no Dr. Johnson Esiama na wono na wakasa de atudwa danu wukwada no mu kire se niema bi a ekoso ewo ye Ghana ye nsikasem no ade ha adwene ne titiriw se eba se bia fraud mu nsensem a wode nsem kotudwa na eyedwumadie bi efe no 3i African Summit 2026 ena ode kokotudwa mu nsem no okasa ni sei.
The work ahead is not only about issuing laws, guidelines, or frameworks. It is about strengthening the service infrastructure around regulation. Processes have to be clear. Submissions must be trackable. Decisions have to be timely. This is how confidence is built. Confidence will also depend on the strength of our digital identity and our KYC frameworks. Weak authentication increases fraud risk, it affects credit quality, and it undermines trust in digital financial services.
Dr. Esiama, wono ena waye openia wada Bank of Ghana no ena yetse nini no.
Kane National Food and Buffer Stock penia no wotua no ewura Abdul Wahab Hanan na wone ne doyire na nsena wo nsem atwetwere koto bo saa ekwawie no koto se nsem no wagya ni nyina agu ho wagya go nti wonfa no honkonkodi wone ne yire wo mo pie firi koto ho a saa na yekofo nso gyina boboa no na wo mo say come here another fresh cases refurbishment che say fifiri ba oh wo ma soro de no ko na no na kane abalo ye pani an wo hwa atantene ne so yura go fe ye bo adame be chese saa de na wo mo ye no se wo mo komrem pa ye beka se a abuse of process.
Keep them in the castle of Yoko. When their passports have been taken away, all their assets have been frozen, and they have no means at all of interfering with investigations. I find the conduct of Yoko also very, very reprehensible. You have a mother together with her husband being kept in the castle of Yoko when you have destroyed their reputation the past 1 year of having stolen money, when you have no evidence at all. You attempted to smuggle evidence into the record by filing witness statements without leave of the court. And when objection was taken by me, the court struck them out, and the next time your next move is to withdraw the charges and then arrest them. And so you have this practice by the Republic, which ought to be condemned by all. They engage in pre-trial harassment of persons.
Was it we no free trial harassment of persons? So what can we na? Aje edi law ni enim law for ni area law for no. Wo mo na beti ase pa. Na onya kan sa asem ni we ya pe. Na legal practitioner Owura Martin Pebu che se we ya wo mo kan sa no. Sa ya drop case ni asa fa won tam so sa no. Che se na pro no doson more loot. And also said the audio so ni.
Oh, it certainly means, okay, that he has more evidence. So you're going to see the figures go up. That is to say, Hanan and his wife, Bonnie and Clyde, would have taken state funds more than what we know now. Because once you see the state withdrawing and now that they are in custody, it tells you that the new case is going to be worse than what we know. I mean, you look at each person's track record and you can make inferences, right? Because Dr. Ayene is not like Godfrey Dami, who added ACP Agojo to the treason trial when there was no evidence against him. So when I heard Godfrey Dami complain, I was like, wow, this is rich. Godfrey Dami told me that, look, he just added ACP.
And who was someone no? Owura Martin Pebu, and Wakasai, we, da Ukuyadana.
Afe Owura ya woda, na ya de kasiane ba na wie ya anesa. Na nano ya wada no say World Press Freedom Day no yes and for cry ya ka nkrofo de akra du ya de so ya amanfo nse dan kai enti no e de afana sa say ne ya odwa ho wo so sa ya no na no na ne akasa de ma ban onimnyamfo Felix kwache fosu wo akasa no wo che say no kra sanjofo bi mo wa ya hwe mo Ghana ha pa enso ya na ya se omo freedom wo ni freedom o no wonder wo ka say wa nim now don sabe cancer ni bi ne pen kura keke obaje afi ne nsem no aban no obedi
to agree to disagree trans on a public that is informed enough to agree to disagree, and to hold power to account. This year's global theme, Shaping a Future at Peace, Promoting Press Freedom for Human Rights, Development and Security, could not be more urgent for Ghana, for Africa, and for the world. I would, however, speak about the localized theme, which is journalism, information integrity, democratic resilience in Ghana and the region. Let me state this plainly. A government that fears questions has already lost its confidence, and a society that silences journalists has already weakened its democracy. Journalism is not the enemy of governments. Good journalism is actually an ally of good governance.
Inti yaka amawo papa ayansantrofo oya sompa mo won ba Ghana today so no odema nkoma mo ene adwo asare square mo won mo keka ma gen sa no a won mo kira ba ne se won fa na nansi fom ye na ene ma ekwa achew eno ana ya awa ne ye no eno nti muntie ne ye na wo wie ye pe ana British High Commissioner e awa ma Ghana mo Christian Rock wono so de kakra ka ono Manchester no kura nsantrofo bi o ha mo nyansantrofo ande no kura pansi eka birum wo ha wate dase abrawa na wafa ne pen ne paper now
are not immune from some of the challenges that we're seeing and some of the changes in the media landscape. And what that means is that our societies are increasingly susceptible to misinformation and to disinformation. And I think you just have to look at the recent history where a very difficult period that all of our countries have gone through, namely COVID, has seen just how much false information was spreading. Some of it because people were worried and anxious, but some of it also was quite deliberate in terms of scaring people, in terms of blaming people. And now, with the benefit of a few years having come out of that period, we actually realize just how much of that information.
Aya Christian Rock one na ya British High Commissioner o my Ghana no see ya mo hwa so mpati tripa na no ponchi cheku na mo nhia no ade na ne no kure no eno nko a eno wade ba
abusuan yenko yawo ene yafo da ya wada no na soafo a wono na woda yapomuden ano yero akwabra minta akando wo se no kure nie ebri bi etwemu abrante bi efe no Charles Amisa akwadai fa so oto ananan mu onse do enam aban mu adwumayefo bi anapomuden aso enimu no enkrofo bi ewo mu a se bibroni be frɛ se omammo adwumadie eyie no ene omaso be yehye enti wo pa ho bedwakuo ema danu pokura no bedwakuo no nsɛm omde ba betu dwa no ebeto odwa kyerɛ se nipa anase hospitals me komakom yensen omnyina din wom enti odwa lai pa ena waka kyerɛ ye chief director da apomuden aso na no kyɛ ne se wopani womomode na fomfi ase ntro enkrata mfangu pepa so na wonto mane obi bia ne ho bon asɛm anidin aba betomu no ene na so be he
Ghana, we have one serious challenge. That is how they say it. Let's give it to God. But if people are not famanyami, then we are really pursuing some of these things with the Medical and Dental Council and with court. People will sit up. I think lack of enforcement in Ghana is one of our biggest problems. And I'll say
direct my chief director, the chief director of the Ministry of Health, to write to the following people, the following health professionals and their hospitals and their regulators that disciplinary actions be taken against them. 1. Dr. Anne-Marie Kudo should be referred to the police hospital and the Medical and Dental Council with immediate effect.
Na enu echire no wopani a ono na woda apomuden no wo mamra hwebedwafie se health committee no yera Dr. Anaba wono na wokasa de atudwa akire mu se no kranie committee no nyumadi a omudie no ade a eso betimi aba mfaso pa na odibi enso to apomuden anso no enim sei
Ghana, we have one serious challenge. That is how they say it. Let's give it to God. But if people are not famanyami, then we are really pursuing some of these things with the Medical and Dental Council and with court. People will sit up. I think lack of enforcement in Ghana is one of our biggest problems. And I'll say it without any fear. If we come out with the guideline that no one can return a patient, like the president said, from a hospital because of a lack of beds, then somebody does it. The person should be punished. But we fear. And the problem is, look, because we don't have so many doctors in the country, sometimes some considerations come in. Perhaps they are fatigued. We have 1/3 of the doctors in the country. So there's a whole gamut of problems. But enforcement will reduce this.
Swafo a ono ena we kura do anya swafo mpo committee a wo mamra shebeje fie efa eya pomuden no ono ena wada no se dwem training Dr. Thomas Anaba ena ode nsem itudwa da no yawada no
ene saa asem kro na ho ena chairman de ma Parliament Health Committee no Dr. Matkek Nangmani wonne da no na wono nso saa nkomo ye ba ya na wono mo eka ho nsem a ye twetwe se wo wi anami Dr. Matkek nso eka bi na ne nsem a wonya adaje pa edetro etiefu anim ya na ye eda ya wada no ebinie.
We are saying that it is beyond just the facility. It is the individuals. And please, if you are a medical professional and you are tired of the work, probably you have to, you can resign. I'm telling you, Ghana will survive. You have, if you are ready to work, please, there are ethics. If you can't do something, you call your colleague doctor, your senior doctor. And one funny thing about doctors is that the senior doctors, is that they are always happy to be called. Once a junior doctor calls a senior doctor, they are ready to run and come and help.
Enti adokota fo no wo musu ba kono no se na kura na adokota kuma frɛ no se bibi ya gye ensem duru ase sie ni gina no aba we Dr. Matkek na kasei la mane kanede ho wono na akɔ wo mamra sebedwafia Parliament Committee on Health no wonne tua no Professor Ajimambadu Akosa wono so report yi wo kasafa ho bi.
Were done and the reports collected dust, and we want to ensure that this report does not collect dust but is acted upon. It was for us a very sad reflection. You are a professional, you take a Hippocratic oath, you say I, and you mention Ajimambadu Akosa, and you swear to do that. That is not the establishment. That is not the hospital. That is not the facility. It is you, as a qualified practitioner, registered by the Medical and Dental Council.
We, Professor Ajimambadu Akosa, wono nso na kasa ya wo ka ede kira ban. We, chasa misa ni wo no. Report e ba ye ho ene emra mpanimfo hye se yemfa ni wo mo a ewo ho no ho nkasae ena wono mo kasae abusua ma yenyina eno so na yentwi asitia wa emfa Pepsodent cavity fighter nentwi eno achi no yempa drobinom time herbal mixture na mo se yenom wie na still posasa na che yende a na fe yakwa yira yade no ewo poku ase mayira midimafo herbal center ho na yakogogo na apo ewo abu akwa agogo wo madam anti yeda ye ho abasisia.
Cavity protection. This advert is FDA approved.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
No kure Emma Aketiapa antika chirefo nyina age. To peten ma bibia timi aye fan ye wie kase no ewo enrada fiada na enra fie na no wo mu ko demonstrate han ewo weja agbawe ya no kra no hot bite so ba ya banta ma MP ni MC we tuma ne nyonko na we ya be ya no na no so kra kwa ya asan fofra no ponche gukura san pe bibi fofro atwa san de afa hoin eno na Honorable Bernard Okoboy, Kanila Jokukum Rashabejani, Wabaya Deputy Health Minister, Actually Crano, National Health Insurance Authority Cra, one Equadano. And what is a amount for Air Casa? Ministry, see a procurement breaches in misappropriation. And an anno fiadano, whatever and work at ministry say, Samosia, Monfa Wadan Semra.
Only 2 things made it impossible for me to commission it. One, we decided after our first term that we will not commission a health facility unless we've operationalized it. The only reason why we didn't commission this facility is that we needed time to do the recruitment allocation and all that. The second one was that their certificates were being worked on. Normally takes some few procedures, with all due respect. Within 3-4 months of we leaving office, appointees of government tell us things and they don't give you any document. Somebody is telling you that there's misprocurement. What is the evidence?
Wey Onyanfo Bernard Okoboy wona ka no na owo asoya ehwe apomden ensem so na wona ye kasa yi
na danu fiada kro na no bawa bedru asante mantem na owo no kra ni nyame ni adwuma de abrante obo bi pa timamufu we ya asante mantem e de baba tu dwa kire mu se inso ho akwa atwe de ama wo mu nti no ma setenam no kra omsode anopa no mbedwade a otopia water na baby miense ehia ho no wodi nsuo na fa ho a na afeni aka ne de wagesi baby nti eno enam so me ha bawa anoti no gu monten so no si baby won kohwe nkuro bi te se eye broni krom ana afensu no abrepo asuofia abuakwa ena eye adankwame ene eye emia ya wohura ekeka ka ho ewe ya santimantem ho ana obo piti wom ana ono om kasaye o wa manansi wa osanso di ekire afedie danu yeyi onsanso nkonko ha afetimamufo na eboso mpa baso yi ana onsi mo ne emo kan monka na fewi ase afa na nyina ante enti ema bawa ebo pini wom na sene timamufo omunya nso eso mfaso yi omubo bawa abaso no abusua ebika mu
Abana dwi ba de se photo na se bibisa ma boye nkaye bi on se nsu ne de bibia bibasa na ye ko senkrofo fium to mo de light na twe nipa no to light a de bia no akosere sa 1 week anu odene tu de sa mo kwa boye nkaye se bi kwa ne wo ne me bi ko be bubusu egu mesi wo kakra kwa be use akwa ni mu kura be beta no de be hu ane se fun ye sere wo mo o mani nyina so nchema ye kakra ni abere
we tourist na help no call am community a whole lot to am school for hospital
amani bawa bedu ana woto edemane ye da no fiada no efri eya asante mantem
ene ehwa na yegina konfanache ya asabia ene etwenity efra ne cars no na we Dr. Root owusu antwi pebo mantinum no wo chese wo mo hwehwe mo kire se konfanache ya asabia ho ayede apomode wo mo ahwehwe ba ho no wo mo kenkan ya wo mo a biribinti adwene no ho aka no mental health no eno ena ekosoro pa and ya adwen koso a ye ma adwene no mra so edefiada.
Yeah, we see close to 15,000 cases at the OPD. Over 200 are admitted. They come with different diagnoses, and every year we have the top 10 diagnoses. But for a couple of years now, our top diagnosis has been schizophrenia, which is one of the severe mental disorders. Among the top 10, we have severe depression, which includes postpartum depression. We have anxiety disorder, substance use disorders. We are seeing some of these cases on an annual basis, together making a total number of close to 15,000 a year. And one thing
we aya konfanache aya sabia ena edefiada no Dr. Root antwi ede beto so se mental health adwene mu eya de wa no enna sesei ekosoro pa ewo mpotemo ho enne yedisi
Pepsodent adawroma yesitwiri wose anapa ne anwumre ne bekoye pa medimafo aba center kan ye ho ena time aba mixture enso ebo yechidom ema so mpankro bata ne nyina esa ne nyina de fa so kama adema wo na fei adam papa radio ayiko kingdom dam FM wo mu nyina je kase ne bie ne ene na Facebook ne so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra YouTube ne Sompa FM live no aha ne de wo AC na asafo kantanka dawroma eno ama yeso kama free studio ha dia fly one ten video ne so ama ya ba phone.com ama onya ye bie ehweye na mom ya no mu a mema kantira nwa miensa ba defo ye ba adwuma be kenkan sem ne ma wo no memedin wadoma nkoma chia me obrempon na kwaku ampoma mene
nana opon checheku enafi
triple mai ejapia